Hello friends, today we are going to be doing an experiment from the science box. And the science box's name is Amazing Electricity. The experiment we will be doing today is experiment 7, a homemade fan. To do this experiment, please stay in adult supervision so that you don't get hurt doing this experiment. The things you will need for doing this experiment is 1 motor, 2 batteries, a crocodile clip pair. You'll also need a battery casing with crocodile clips attached to it. You'll need some fan like this, and you'll need a button, which is the on-off button for us. The first things we will need are the motor and the fan. So let's push all the other things aside. Now, we will need to attach it to the thin rod part of the motor. First, so there's a tiny hole here, as you can see, and we have to push the big rod through it. If you need help doing it, you can ask for help from some older adults. I have attached the fan to the motor, so now we will need to take our battery casing and we will need to take our batteries. And a tip that somebody showed me is to take the batteries and warm them up a little. Oops, with the heat of your hands. Repeat the same thing on the other battery. Okay, now we will put the batteries inside the battery casing box. One way you can put this in is that there should be a plus and minus on the in the picture down below. And on the battery, it says it has a plus and minus sign over here and over here. So you should match up the signs so that you can easily put it in and it's in the right direction. Now we should connect this black crocodile clip from the battery casing box to the open black wire on the motor. Now we should take these crocodile clips and attach the red one to the red wire. Then we will take the on and off button, the switch to turn the fan on and off. So we'll put it in one end from the battery casing and in this black and in this other end. So we have our fan ready. And now let us try our fan. And time to press the start button. Woo! Okay, so now we're going to use our fan. And I think I found a way to keep it up. And it moves by itself. Cool there. So please like and subscribe if you like this video and share it with your friends and family. Bye! Have a great day!